Ke Khubor na ke election office ke Meghalaya, kalapan bana hadu kendai pupra poin khat nyau na ke shispa ki special intensive revision SIR enumeration form. Hadu ke arpui terik naitung ladep sam arpulailak rewajar sanspa prapusan teliki form. Kejingdon kinong tap vote a kejela kalong arpulailak saup kendai hajar reuspa saupusan ngot shinrang bat kentai. Ke election department ke kentu ya baro kinong tap vote ban shimkia bagi kerteng jengki kinrung ha ke SIR electoral roll. Ya ke draft electoral roll en penmi paiba ka santrik unailar arhajar arpun rew.
All the activities we are committed and well prepared to complete smoothly within the prescribed timeline by the Election Commission of India. On this 21st July 2026, we had a meeting with the representatives of the recognized political parties and state political party to review the progress, and we have briefed all the entire process and the progress and everything in respect to SIR process is concerned. So we highly appreciated their initiative for appointing the booth level agents, and as on today there are 892 booth level agents are working across the state along with the BLOs and on the ground. So BLAs are expected to play a vital role in assisting the electors, verifying the electoral roll details and ensuring greater transparency and accuracy in the SIR process. So we urge all political parties to continue extending their cooperation for the timely and successful completion of the SIR exercise. So the entire election machinery in the state are dedicated to complete this exercise along with the district election officers, EROs, AEROs, BLOs, BLO supervisors, and all the officials associated with the SIR process, the ground level enumerator, DEOs, and all the people who are assisting, and as well as the volunteer organizations also who are assisting the BLOs in their house to house and enumeration form exercise. So who electors who have not yet received or submitted their enumeration form, I would like to very humbly request to all the electors to cooperate with the booth level officers during their house to house visit process, to submit their filled enumeration form well before the deadline, so BLO can collect the filled enumeration form and digitize and upload through the BLO app, so all the data would get recorded and uploaded, so no eligible person's name should be disappear, and no ineligible person's name to be included, which will be later on. So in this enumeration phase, we are fully committed, we are getting the support, but moreover we would like to request from through the media and appeal to all the electors who already not at their present address, but wherever they are, if they can be accessed, they can approach, they can visit this ECI portal and go through the this ECI net app, which is very helpful to download in their mobiles, and all the electors enumeration form it already there. So if someone who is outside of the state not being present at the time of BLO's visit, somehow they could not be traced, or some are residing on the rent and they shifted their address, those kind of all the people whom the BLO could not trace on their previous address, we would like to appeal and request to all such electors to fill their enumeration form, so to complete this exercise fairly and correctly, so no one should get their name disappeared, whoever is eligible. So entire machinery is fully committed and doing entire exercise, and we are thankful to all the media person also for their all kind of support and all the help extended from the end of the media. So it has become very helpful in achieving and doing such progress in the SIR process in the state, and we are very hopeful that the entire process will be done very smoothly. So your call to BLO which is coming, that is also been addressed in time, except in few cases where it taking little bit more time than the prescribed timeline. That is also been trying, our election official are trying to address well within the timeline and to be in touch with the electors. So all needful things. So far the complaints concern, we are not receiving any complaints, so we are very much satisfied, and all the support from all in we are getting in the state.
Sir, question about this BLAs. So, how many number of BLAs required for the state, and how many at present are there? Is there any shortfall, or whether we have adequate number of BLAs?
Basically, the ideal situation is like that each and every national party or state recognized political party should appoint BLA for each and every polling booth. So we are having 3,551 polling booth. So they are supposed to, all the parties to appoint BLAs, but it is not mandatory. It is voluntary. If they want to appoint, they should. So as Meghalaya has before SIR, they have not appointed any BLAs in the prescribed manner. So once we have appealed and approached to them, they have come forward and appointed BLAs. So it is no upper cap or anything, no requisite number. It is up to the political party how many BLAs they want to.
Has all the political party appointed BLAs?
At least major parties has come forward and they appointed.
Which are the parties which has not?
Like the NPP, UDP, Congress, BJP, VPP, TMC. All these parties appointed BLAs in the different.
So coming to BLOs, the government, we observe that they are under pressure, some BLOs, and then teachers, and it is affected through the education. Teaching is affected. So how do you resolve this?
Basically, once this is also a very important exercise, and mostly as per the RT, they can't be engaged apart from the census and the election exercise. So during this time, all the teachers are not engaged for the BLO duty. In the one village, there is only one person has been engaged, and that is not mandatorily teacher. So they are, except this intensive house-to-house exercise, after that they also doing the teaching work also, and in the extra time after their duty they are doing the election duty also. And except this SIR exercise, most of the time they are not supposed to do the regular duty on the each and every day for the electoral roll updation. As and when whatever work arises, they do accordingly.
So you have also mentioned that some people have rejected this enumeration from any reason given, so why?
They have not accepted. The matter is like that, somebody don't want to receive and refuse to accept, I don't want the enumeration form. We can't ask the reason.
Is it because of some religious thing?
I don't know, because why we can't force. We can approach, we can give them, we are just request them to receive the enumeration form and return it in the prescribed manner, and then to get a receiving. It is for their own cause, because the electors, whoever name is there in the electoral roll, it is the entire process just to verify entire electoral roll on the ground, and as well as to update it. So whoever is not accepting, we can't force them. Suppose that somebody don't want the name to be remain in the electoral roll, and they want to get their name in other place, suppose that, so they might have refused, I don't want here because, and they don't give any reason. So any such situation may arise, but we are not expected to ask the reason why you are refusing.
Also, there are similar cases reports in Munster where there are groups who are preventing people to collect forms. Are you aware of such case?
I have not come across.
What are BLOs who have contact, but they don't want to reveal the names, but they have informed that there are such things happening in Munster?
I have noted this point, but I have not come across.
I have a question.
Yes,
Do you
please.
have any complaints or rather, let's say, observations on the ground where BLOs are calling up the electors and they are telling them, please come and collect your form, and whereas the electors are telling them that we've already done it online, and then they're repeatedly telling them that no, you also have to do it offline, we're leaving the forms in your house, please fill this out. That's created a confusion in some places where we've picked up some information.
I have noted this point. I can't refuse or I can't act this thing. This is the ground feedback from your end. But moreover, wherever the form has been filled online, BLO is supposed to verify those. But they can't insist that again if you have did online, then they have to say ki you have to do the offline form also. Either you are doing online or offline, so it is either way, but online form whatever is being filled, that to be verified ki details are correct or not.